These points, also known as edge points, include 2 along one of the longer sides, and then 1 on each of the other 3 sides, making a total of 5. Once this has been done, automet will expect a back point and a stop point as usual. Remember that the stop point is a single point on the opposite face to the edge points. The minimum number of edge points required in automet is 3, 2 along one of the longest sides and 1 on one of the sides adjacent to the long side. Importantly, you cannot have your single point be the one opposite to the side where you took the initial 2 points. These arrangements on screen will not work. If you're doing a site survey and can't get to the face of the base plate, you can take the edge points on the back face of the plate. In this case, the stop point is taken by placing the prism on the deck. The same rules for the edge points still apply. These orientations are not allowed.